Top 5 Treadmill. Top 5. Weslo Cadence G5.9 Treadmill. Space Saver Design. This treadmill can fold up. 6 personal trainer workouts. 2 position incline. Comfortable cushioning. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill. 2.20 peak HP drive system with 15.75 in x 48.82 in running surface. Easy folding mechanism and soft drop system to help you unfold your treadmill safely. Handrail controls that allow you to control speed, start and stop. 9 built-in workout programs, large LCD display and smartphone/tablet holder. Choose between 3 options of incline levels, max user weight, 220 pounds. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 3. Lifespan Folding Treadmill. Simple to lift and easy to lower, Easy Fold technology utilizes a hydraulic shock to assist in folding and unfolding the treadmill. Features 15 incline levels, a speed range. The 20x 60-inch running surface features 8 impact-absorbing compression shocks. 6 blue backlit LCD displays. 5-year parts, 2 years labor warranty. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 2. XTERRA Fitness Treadmill. Large 20x60 walking/running surface. Widescreen 7.5-inch blue backlit display. Lift assist folding deck with extra soft cushioning. Quick touch speed and incline buttons conveniently located on the handlebars. Quiet and powerful 3.0 chp continuous duty motor. Check description for more info and reviews. Top 1. Weslo F85 Treadmill. Treadmill offers an industry-leading warranty and a proprietary cushion flex whisper deck. 4.0 chp, DC-type motor with 0.5 to 12 mph speed range. 6 standard programs, 2 custom programs, and 2 hard programs. Measures 35 by 58 by 80 inches, deck measures 35 by 80 inches and running surface measures 22 by 60 inches. Includes the following manufacturer's warranties against defects in materials and workmanship. Check description for more info and reviews.